Before the religious zealots descend upon me, it's essential to recognize a fundamental truth. Whether one subscribes to Jesus as the Son of God or not, there's a universal principle transcending religious dogma. Let's face it, some people are oblivious to the fact that Jesus Christ wasn't his given name. The term Jesus stems from the Greek translation of Yeshua, while Christ derives from the Greek word for anointed one. In essence, Yeshua Christ embodies the embodiment of divine consciousness. However, amidst theological debates and semantic nuances, one undeniable reality emerges. The world stands in dire need of Christ consciousness, regardless of religious affiliation or belief. It's no secret that throughout history, countless individuals have spoken about the realization of Christ consciousness as they have received it. Many people claim to have been able to tap into this particular level of consciousness, starting with Abraham, Moses, Buddha, and Christ himself. But how does Christ consciousness work? And why is it important? Being in Christ consciousness means experiencing unity with everything beyond the human ego. A new state of being is not a doctrine, dogma, or teaching, but rather a personal transformation. It is for this reason that many call it spiritual awakening. In Christ consciousness, a person embodies non-judgment, unconditional love, empathy, and acceptance. People who have experienced the state say they can't describe it. Having a sense of peace with the world and feeling comfortable in your own skin is what it is all about. When you experience Christ consciousness, you become aware that everything in the universe is interconnected. In the midst of the universe, whether it is creatures, plants, or the universe itself, we know and understand that we share a common bond. In light of this realization, we should understand that everyone is unique, and it is important to accept them as they are, regardless of differences. Those who have experienced Christ consciousness describe that, in addition to the sense of unity that they have experienced, they have also felt a sense of clarity and direction, as well as a sense of greater purpose and meaning in life. When the ego's boundaries are less rigid, we are able to have a more open-minded, non-judgmental, and compassionate approach to life as a result of less rigid ego boundaries. In general, people often associate Christ consciousness with Christianity. Since the term Christ originates from the Greek word Christos, meaning anointed one, which is the equivalent to the term Messiah in Hebrew. However, the concept of Christ consciousness transcends specific religious doctrines and is considered accessible to individuals of all faiths. This heightened state of spiritual awareness and unity is something that everyone can aspire to, regardless of religious background. However, Christ consciousness has nothing to do with religion. It is accessible to people of all faiths. It is not a new concept. There is evidence that it existed before Christianity, and it has been referred to by cultures other than Christianity, such as Hinduism and Buddhism. The idea of a higher level of consciousness that is beyond the material world and focused on spiritual understanding and awareness is found in many ancient scriptures and teachings. The concept of Christ consciousness is thought to be a kind of universal truth that transcends culture and religion. To cultivate Christ consciousness, we must embark on a journey of inner transformation. The first step involves releasing the confines of self-image. relinquishing attachments to predefined notions of identity. Through mindful practices, we can ground ourselves in the present moment, fostering deeper connection to the divine within. And central to this journey is the cultivation of love, both towards oneself and others. By nurturing a spirit of love within, we radiate its warmth outward, like a ripple effect, fostering positive connections and harmonious relationships. Thus, by embracing these practices with sincerity and dedication, we can awaken to the true depths of Christ consciousness, illuminating the path towards spiritual growth and universal enlightenment. In the realm of Christ consciousness, we embark on a journey into the profound essence of the Anointed One, Christos. This sacred path leads seekers to uncover the divine spark within themselves, recognizing their innate connection to the universal source of all creation. Through dedicated practice and spiritual awakening, one aligns with the transformative power of Christ, embracing a life imbued with compassion, love, and divine grace. The importance of living in alignment with universal principles of truth, integrity, and compassion, thereby fostering harmony and balance within oneself and the world. Through embodying these principles, we make a positive impact and contribute to the manifestation of a more enlightened and compassionate society, allowing the light of divine wisdom to illuminate our path and lead us to eternal union with the divine. Humanfluence out.